Dry stone walls are traditionally used as boundaries in the rustic estates of Mexican villages. This concept has been reinterpreted in this house, using stone as the primary material for its boundary walls with the exterior. Thus the house's name, 28.0855, the atomic weight of silicon, the predominant element in silica that forms the abundant local stones. Nestled in the lush highlands of Tapalpa, Mexico, and designed by Van Atelier, the house reflects the fusion of traditional Japanese architecture with Mexican vernacular design, eschewing superfluous details. Conceived as a multifunctional space for recreation, rest, and contemplation, 28.0855 provides its residents with a constant and direct connection to nature and water. The design integrates seamlessly with its surroundings, both externally and internally, where the sequence of spaces encourages contemplative walks through its central courtyard and interior gardens. Here, the concept of the Japanese onsen begins to take shape, creating relaxation spaces surrounded by water, stones, and gardens, fostering calmness and leisure. A primary aspect of the design was the constant pursuit of privacy, essential for the space and its function. Each area is turned inward, creating blind facades with stone boundary walls, giving the house its monolithic character. The walls are framed with curves to soften their robustness, reminiscent of the boundary walls in the fields. With a harmonious interplay of stone walls, gentle curves, and tranquil water features, the house highlights a thoughtful, sustainable approach that respects its picturesque setting. The design incorporates passive strategies, such as orienting most spaces to the south, reducing the need for cooling in summer and heating in winter. Additionally, the use of locally sourced stones significantly minimize the project's carbon footprint. .0855 reflects the fusion of traditional Japanese and Mexican vernacular architecture, consistently adhering to the essence of the project and its purpose. The result is an honest, simple, and functional design that, above all, delivers remarkable spatial experiences.